Hi, I'm Christian from the product team at Barebones. Today I'm going to show you how to charge your railroad lantern as well as replace the battery. To charge your railroad lantern, you need a USB-C cable. This can be plugged into any USB outlet. The cable is plugged into the inlet on the railroad lantern on the back of the unit. You know that your railroad lantern is charging when the power is plugged in and at least one LED light turns on. This product takes 8 hours to charge, and you know that it's fully charged when all 4 LED lights are illuminated and the last LED light is either fully illuminated or blinking. If your railroad lantern doesn't turn on, there's a few things that you can check before needing to replace the battery. First, you want to charge the battery and see if it works after that. You also want to make sure that there actually is a battery in the unit, and you want to make sure that the battery is in the correct orientation in the unit. If your lantern is still not working, then you can replace the battery. This product takes a 18650 battery. This is a Barebones specific product, and it's available for purchase on the Barebones website. The battery for this unit comes in either red or gray. When you receive the battery, make sure not to remove the plastic cover on the outside. This is part of the battery and it will not work if it's been removed. Now inserting the battery into the railroad lantern. This is done by hand and no tools are needed. You do this by turning the railroad lantern upside down. The battery cover is removed by turning counterclockwise. Sometimes it can be a little bit tight. Just give it a little push until it clicks, and then you can lift it directly off. Your battery inserts into the railroad lantern with the metal end of the battery making contact with the springs inside the lantern. I insert that directly in. Then I take my battery cover, put it in place so it pushes down, and then turn it clockwise until it clicks into place. That is how you charge your railroad lantern as well as replace its battery.